What's up everybody, this is Leo with Cute Print Co. And lately we've been getting a lot of these kind of face mask orders. It's typically a one color print on the bottom left corner of a face mask, and it's usually for like local companies. So today we're going to show you guys how you can print them using your own press at your print shop and the face mask kit. Let's go. The first thing we're going to do is put on our bracket adapter. You want to tighten the right knob first. Then you want to do the two bottom knobs, but not super tight because we still got to register the platen. Then you want to take the platen, put it on top of the bracket. What we're looking for when we're registering is we're trying to make sure that the print surface area and the design match up perfectly for placement, for alignment. As you can see here, the print surface area is far too much this way. So we're going to take the bracket out a little bit this way so it lines up with our design. All right, let's talk about the placement on the face mask. So when someone wears it, it's going to be in this orientation. If we put that on top of the print surface area, we want to aim it for the bottom left corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to position the design right there. So to help us aim, we're going to use the two corners of the face mask and the two corners of the top print surface area to line them up. So when the two corners are touching, that's when we want to put our hoop on top of the face mask. Once we have it secured, we drop down the screen. And then all we have to do is make sure that the design falls on that corner. As long as the design falls in that corner, we know that the placement and the position is going to be in the same place every time. And that's how easy it is to print face masks at your print shop. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, drop us a comment down below on what you guys want us to screen print next, and we'll catch you on the next one.